herd knows there's a stranger among them. Stripes can also be good for their health. Compared to solid-colored animals, the bold pattern can lower a zebra's surface temperature by more than 5 degrees. Zebras in cooler parts of Africa have wider stripes than zebras closer to the equator. And disease-carrying horseflies seem repelled by stripes. But bug bites aren't what have these zebras hot and bothered. It's mating time, and an intruding stallion's wooing a mare with some gentle necking. But not if the dominant male can help it. The upstart doesn't back down. The fight is on. Winner takes all. One kick can shatter a lion's jaw. And they're not pulling any punches today. Victory to the chief. The dominant stallion must beat every challenger to retain his title. If posturing or pushing isn't enough, the violence escalates. Male zebras have spade-sharp teeth and can bite off each other's tails. They often becomes lunch. The victor keeps his title as Alpha Stallion. He'll continue to pass his genes to the next generation, at least until the next challenge. Dominance is hard won for animals of all sizes. African elephants, the world's largest land mammal, never stops growing. And they never stay in one place very long. To survive, elephants pay attention to 2 seasons. Rainy season for their thirsty herds, and mating season for those other needs. Which today, a big bull hopes to satisfy. He'll have to get it live, because another fellow's already called dibs on mating with this herd. So now the challenger, amped up on 50 times his normal testosterone level, has to prove he's the best bull for the job. No one can throw his weight around like a 5-ton bull elephant with raging hormones, except another bull elephant. But his smaller rival in the fight for mating rights gets the message. He backs down, possibly saving his life, but losing everything else. The herd will move on without him, his urges unsatisfied. For the losing bull, the game's not over. He finds another bull, similar in size, so it's game on. There's only one way to determine who's the boss. Armed with a 260-pound pair of tusks, an enraged bull can pierce and flip a car. And these gladiators mean business. But this is a contest of dominance, not a death match.